Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into TikTok, specifically how to add a link to your TikTok bio. Whether you're a business, a creator, or just looking to share more with your followers, this feature is super handy. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open your TikTok app. So go ahead and tap on the TikTok icon. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the me icon or the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now, after you're on your profile page, here's where you can add a link. To add a link, tap on Edit Profile. Here on the bio section, all you need to do is paste your link. After you pasted your link in your bio, you can simply click on Save and your bio will be saved. And that's it, you're all set. Now anyone who visits your profile can tap on the link in your bio and get directed to your website. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful too.